All right, guys, we have a vehicle rescue going on at Evans Road and Welsh Road. I'm on the Welsh Road right now, approaching the intersection here. Don't have a lot of information. I know the fire police have the road closed off. I don't know how many people. I don't know if it's a rolled over car. I can kind of see through up here, but too many lights. I can't really see what's going on. Looks like whatever it is going to be right in the middle of the intersection. And like I said, it did come in as a vehicle rescue. This is going to be Montgomery Township side, as far as I know. We'll keep trying to get closer here, see what we could do. I'll set up my camera. Maybe 2 vehicles involved. What's going on, man? Good. All right, looks like we got 2 vehicles. Still can't tell what's going on. I can see the cars. It was a rescue. We got a picture or 2 here. Let's change our white balance. It's like way off. Where is my white balance setting? Oh, you know what? I think I put it on auto white balance. Yeah, I did. Let's cross over here, see if we can get a better shot. We'll come over here. Looks like they had the roads blocked off. Oh yeah. Oh, that's banged up. All right, let's get our aperture up, slow the shutter down a little bit, get a brighter picture. Get a little bit of video here. Starting recording now. I don't know if anybody was transported. It came in as a vehicle rescue. I'm not sure if there was actually a rescue that happened. Again, I have very little information on this one. And I'm not gonna be able to get a lot of video because it's raining, and as soon as my lens starts filling up with rain droplets, it's gonna kill my ability to get pictures. We'll walk up a little bit closer, like right up to this guardrail, but that's about the closest we're gonna go. Looks like Evans Road isn't completely shut down. You can get up to the intersection, which is interesting. They usually don't let you get that far. That's very good. Move up here, we'll get a little more video of the car. A lot of debris in the road. I'd like to get a picture of the front end of this truck. But I suspect they might not like that too much. But we'll walk up. We'll see. If they say something, then we'll back off. But for now, I don't think we're in anybody's way. Looks like the immediate emergency is taken care of at this point. Go from right there. A little more video. Looks like the rescue is complete. There's nobody in the vehicles. There's one person lingering around that pickup truck, which I assume is the driver. But I could be wrong about that. You guys gotta remember, most of the things I say when I'm on these scenes is speculation. I don't really have the facts. I just report on what I see. And then later on, my boss will pull the facts from the police reports. So we'll back off the scene a little bit, maybe get 1 or 2 more photos, and we'll be on our way. Get a picture of that sign. All right, we'll get 1 more wide shot of this. And I think we're good here. Have a good night, man.
You too.
All right, camera's getting a little too wet. So we're gonna head back, and that's it. Quick, easy scene. Catch you guys on the next scene.